Kratos announced the XQ-58A developments in a press release and a quarterly earnings call yesterday. To date, the U.S. Air Force is the only known entity to have purchased Valkyries and has been using a growing fleet of these drones to support various research and development and test and evolution efforts. The most well-known of these is Skyborg, Air Force Research Laboratory and Air Force Life Cycle Management Center led projects centered on the development of an artificial intelligence-driven computer brain and other associated technologies that could be integrated into various types of drones with high degrees of autonomy. The recent flight proved XQ-58A's extended capabilities by flying longer, higher, at a heavier mission weight, and at a longer range than the platform has previously been approved for, based on prior government range limitations, and demonstrated, according to the release. The company's website says the XQ-58A has a maximum launch weight of 6,000 pounds, can fly at altitudes up to 45,000 feet above sea level, and has a maximum range of approximately 3,000 miles. The Valkyrie utilizes a rocket-assisted takeoff method involving a static launcher on the ground and is recovered at the end of a flight via parachute. The XQ-58A is also designed with an eye toward what is now typically called attritability, which is to say a balance of cost and capabilities that allows their use in higher-risk scenarios that might preclude the use of a more costly and complex, exquisite asset. The XQ-58A attritable nature has already been demonstrated in a way by the Air Force, which has already sent the first Valkyrie it acquired to its main museum at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Ohio. The service said it had made this decision after extensive use of the drone because it never intended to receive extensive upgrades or repairs. As Kratos notes here, the XQ-58A's ability to operate autonomously in a radio-silent mode has potential benefits when it comes to penetrating through, or at least evading threats.